Hello everyone, this is the first video for this year and I thought I would start with taking care of my skin. Not that I wasn't doing that before because I am obsessed and I have a really strict routine, but I haven't done a DIY mask for a while and I'm in lack of hydrating anti-aging masks right now. I don't have any in the house really, so I thought I'm just gonna do it myself. Okay, I'm gonna leave this mask to wait for me cover like that whilst I steam my face. Yes, you heard me right. I'm gonna steam my face using this facial sauna, and I have a video on this if you want to see more on it. I have a first impression, a review, and I haven't used this in a while, so I thought since I'm making a DIY mask for the first time in ages, I should just as well use this machine that I have, so the ingredients used work their magic even better. So let's begin. Okay, I'm gonna put a bit of water here and place this head there, turn it on. So I'm gonna wait this to start warming up the water, and then I'm gonna just place my face in here and really let the steam open up my pores a bit, and then apply this beautiful mask on, which I'm very excited to do because my skin really needs some TLC, tender love and care. For those who don't know, because I didn't and I had to look it up on Google, what TLC means. I know you can see me. I've also washed my hair, so I thought since I wash my hair, just put the mask on. This is how I usually do things. After a shower, after washing my hair, I pop a mask on. I haven't done a video like this in a while with the DIY mask. Can you see me? Sorry for the helicopter noise. This is a noisy channel here, but it just feels so relaxing. I should definitely use this machine more often. Okay, I think that's enough for me. I've stayed around 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I don't even know anymore. Now I'm gonna apply the mask, not waste any moments because my pores are open right now. I'm gonna do it with my fingers really, and then I'm gonna go wash my fingers off. I'm gonna start applying it and just try my best. For the fact that I'm filming now, that's why I'm doing it here in this room. I have a towel underneath here in case anything falls off, but I would advise you do this above a sink or something, you know, because it's DIY. It's not gonna stay perfectly on the skin. Bits might fall when you apply it. I know yogurt has lactic acid, which is really good for the skin, and honey has antimicrobial properties, which again is good. But if you're allergic to honey, again, you can skip the honey and just have the yogurt and the chia seeds, or flax seeds, how people call it in America. If it's good enough to eat, then it's good enough to go on my face. I'm gonna go and surprise my son with this look to see how it's gonna react. Yes, that's it. I removed the mask. I have no moisturizer on my skin, and yet my skin feels hydrated and dewy, and I don't know, it just feels fresh. I don't know if the camera picks this up, the look of my skin, you know, but it's just fresh, and I'll definitely repeat this mask. My skin is on the dry side, especially now during this colder months. I have here some natural cold pressed rosehip oil that I keep on applying every morning, every night. And in the daytime I put just about 3 drops, and in the nighttime I put 5 drops. This helps with moisturizing and wrinkles and fine lines. And I just do this like that. I mix it with my moisturizer in the day and in the night. And it's really working for me. I have another one from the same brand, and it's with vitamin E. It's a 100% vitamin E oil. And this one, it says natural daily support for dehydrated and aging skin. So sounds wonderful, doesn't it? I apply that everywhere, including my neck. And then I put some moisturizer. But this one has no SPF in. I don't love it, to be honest. It has a lot of perfume in as well, just so you know. I'm not sure if I like it that much. It works for me. I mean, it doesn't make me break out or irritate or anything, but it has no SPF and it has a lot of perfume, so not sure how that is working for my very sensitive, prone to redness skin, you know, so not sure if I'm gonna get it again. I really like the Cetaphil moisturizer that I had in the past, actually, because I used the face wash from Cetaphil as well, and it worked very well mixing it with this oil as well, putting the oil and then putting the moisturizer on. So I think I'm gonna repurchase the Cetaphil moisturizer. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a video with the products that I love to use for my skin at the moment, and I would gladly do a video on that. I'm so happy I did this mask. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're gonna do it as well. Let me have a bit from my coffee. So I'm just gonna pass you through to Georgiana in the future. Oh, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I certainly did enjoy applying this mask. I'm gonna definitely repeat this mask because why not? My skin, look at it, it's just glamorous, refreshed, rejuvenized. Is that the word? Rejuvenized. Rejuvenated. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this mask. If you know of any other DIY masks that have the purpose to hydrate the skin and have anti-aging benefits, please let me know in the comments below. And what else, please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. It will make me so happy, and if you are subscribed, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate it and I love you all. And like the video if you liked it. Comment in the section below with your suggestions or how it was for you when you did this mask, if you're gonna do it. I hope you will, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.